everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to another RAMShard Rust tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials if you are enjoying these. Now I'm going to be showing you how to easily install Oxide plugins to your Rust server. The first thing you want to do is head to the UMod website, the link will be in the description. Then you want to go ahead and click on plugins and then click on Rust, then click search. Now this will show you all the Rust plugins that are available currently. You want to go ahead and select one that you want. And once on that page, you're going to see a download button to the right. Click download. Now it should download as a .cs file. To upload this, go to your control panel, click on the files drop down tab, click FTP file access and log in. Now click on the Oxide folder and then click into the plugins folder. On the left hand side, click upload. Browse your files and select the CS file that you just downloaded. After it is set in there, click submit. After clicking submit, it'll upload the file. And once the file is uploaded, you want to go back to the main page of your control panel and then click restart. After the server restarts, the plugin will be loaded in. And that is how you easily install plugins on your Oxide server. Now if you have any further questions, be sure to contact us on our live chat for further assistance. Thanks for watching.